Hi guys, it's me again. So for today's video, it's gonna be a what I got for my birthday. So my friends, my family, and my husband, they give me like, a gift, and I truly appreciate one of them, and I always said thank you, like, I appreciate all of them. So let's just start it. And I don't know, it's all just like mixed now. So first things first, is just gonna show you this beautiful flower. It's already in the vase, but my friend Viola got me this beautiful sunflower. It's like mixed with other flowers, and she really knows me, because if you know me as a person, I love sunflower. That's like my favorite flower. Sunflower, roses, and tulips, that's like my favorite flower. So thank you so much. So anyways, let's start with this box right here. And okay, so I got here a GoPro Hero 8 for my birthday present, and I don't know if I want to unbox this really quick. Hold on, I want to open this. I don't know how to open this one. How do you do this? Okay, I'm just gonna peel it, because I am so excited to use this, you guys, especially it's summer, and my husband just got us a boat, and he's still outside with my dad-in-law. I think they're trying to figure out how to park that boat. But anyways, how do you do this? How do you box this? Okay, let's see. Okay, so that's the GoPro Hero 8 right there. And okay, so this comes with like, I think, like instructions on how to use this. And let's see, it's like a charger and battery. I think that's the battery. So yeah, that's how it looks like, you guys. I think I'm just gonna take this down later so I can show you the rest of the gifts. And hold on, let me just put this aside. Okay, the next one is this bath bombs right here, and I think it's a set of bath bombs, which is, let me open this really quick. Where is this at? Okay, so let's open this bath bombs. Oh my freaking god, look. Huh? Oh my god, it says, there's like names in it: lemon, rose, peppermint, lavender, sweet orange, and citronella. Oh my, this smells so good. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to use this bombs. All right, next one is this, I think this is a bath set from Body and Earth, cherry blossom and jasmine right here. Look how pretty that is. I'm gonna, let's open this. Okay, so I got this, right, so it comes with this cherry blossom and jasmine. I believe this is the bubble bath. Oh my goodness, I want to smell it. Let me open it. Oh my god, this smells so freaking good. That smells good. So it comes with the, like I said, bubble bath, and comes with bath salt. This is so cute. Bath salt, and it has like fake flowers for like decoratives. That is so cute. And comes with the body lotion as well right there, and comes with shampoo bar. I haven't seen like this. And it comes with, shower gel right there, and soap. I think this is bar soap. Comes with a bar soap. And yeah, I think that's it. And it comes with this like little cute like tub, like pink tub. Okay, so the next one is this Extreme Plus. I believe this is the memory card for the GoPro, and it has 128 gigabytes on it right there. Can't wait to use the GoPro. Next one is this paper bag right here from my friend. They got me some hot Cheetos, of course, you know me, love hot Cheetos. They also got me the watermelon Sour Patch, and I love watermelon better than the kids, so that's that. Next, some cards that I already read, and it's, oh my god. Okay, so this is the best card ever my friend Hannah gave me. Is this one. It's literally customizable, and if you don't know him, he's from like the 90 Days Fiance. Like, he got like a lot of memes you know, in the internet right now. It says happy birthday, and she said you're my best view. Which is, this is so funny. My sister-in-law got me some Bahamas Passionate Fruit, I think this is a 24-hour body lotion, and she also got me some, this is from the Bath and Body Works, what is this, fragrant mist. So Fiji and Bahamas. Where's the top? Okay, put this right here. Okay, so my sister got me that, and then also my friends got me this mask right here from Freeman. There. And also bath bombs. They really know me. Bath bombs. I love bath bombs. And then, oh my god, so my friend's daughter got me a squishy ball, which is this one right here. Look how, because she told me if I'm stressed, I'll just like squeeze this ball, and it helps. So I got a $100 gift card from Target, and I had a $100 gift card from Best Buy, which I will just show you later. The one that I got from Best Buy, it's just the vacuum. Anyways, I spent it for my birthday. What I got there is just a couple of items. First things first is this scrubs. This scrubs from Tea Tree Hut. It's the best. It's the bomb. So I got the cocoa colada, this right here, and it's from Tea Tree. Yeah, Tea Tree. This is the shea sugar scrub. I use this like almost every day to like exfoliate, and before and after like shaving, you know, like your legs, you can like use this as well, and this smells really good. And I also got the Tahitian vanilla bean, which is this one. Is really good as well, right there. I believe these are like $6.99 at Target. All right, next one is the tripod mount, and I got this because when I received the GoPro as like the gift when I opened it, I'm just like, I don't have the accessories, so I have like to buy the accessories. So I went in there, and you know, I received my gift card, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna use this and buy like the accessories for the GoPro. But yeah, this is the, like I said, the tripod mount right there. And next one is the CeraVe facial moisturizing lotion right there. I heard a lot of good things about this, especially if you have oily skin. So they have AM and they also have the PM. So since I already have the AM, I got, you know, the PM. So right there, I believe this is like something 15 or $14.99 right there. And yeah, that's, and the next one is this CeraVe foaming facial cleanser. This is for normal to oily skin, and if you guys know me, I am oily skin. I got this foaming. I still have my Cetaphil. I'm running low on my Cetaphil, and I was gonna repurchase the Cetaphil, but then I also heard a lot of good things about the CeraVe, so I can't wait to try this foaming cleanser, or like foaming facial cleanser. Okay, next one is pillowcase. This is just like a backup because we have like, I have two sets of this silky ones, and I have the regular like this, like the microfiber. I can't even pronounce that right. But yeah, I got this because they were on sale, so why not? And it's like two, I think there's, yeah, two pillowcases in here. So I have to like wash this first before like, you know, using this. Just this one is just for like, you know, a backup. And then I think lastly here on the Target is, this was buy one get one 50% off. So this is the by the brand Odin at Target, and it's just silky bra. I got this white right here. There's no foam in here. It's just like there's like wire in the bottom, but there's no foam or anything. So this is, I got the white, and I also got, of course, the black right here, right there. And this is $14.99, so it's just like $15, but I got two since they're doing a buy one get one 50% off at Target. And also thank you so much, you guys, for greeting me. Like, some of my subscribers, you know, message me happy birthday. Thank you so much. I really appreciate one of you, my family, my friends, my husband. I appreciate my husband as well so much. And yeah, everybody, I appreciate everybody, especially my sisters, like my family back home. So anyway, you guys, that is it. Actually, if you haven't watched what I got for myself for my birthday, then make sure to watch that as well. So anyway, that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.